Welcome back, guys. So on this lab, we'll be doing how to connect to our EC2 instances. You can see the instance we created, which we named Jenkins. So we'll be connecting to that. And there is one tool that we needed to connect to that. But before we use that tool, there are different ways we can connect. According to this lab right here, give me 1 second. This is the lab. You can connect with Mobaxterm. There is a tool called Mobaxterm. And then there are other different ways you can connect. You can connect with your CMD, and you can also connect from this AWS console right here. So we'll start with the AWS console. If I click on Jenkins right here, just make sure you check Jenkins, and then you click on connect from here. So when you get here, you can either connect from the EC2 instance connect, or you can use the SSH client, which we'll be using later. But for the first time, let's try this EC2 instance connect. I'll just click on connect here, and then it's going to start loading up some stuffs. And after that, you will see, yeah, it's initializing the session, and then we should be able to see it being connected. So this is different from the normal computer you are used to. And you can see it's trying the connection now, and yeah. So this has been connected. When you see this Ubuntu IP, because this is your private IP, so you should be able to, when from here now, this is the connection. This is a Linux computer, which we have connected to in the cloud. And also, there are other different ways that we can use to connect. If I go back to the instances and I click on connect here, I can do the SSH client. So this SSH client, there are different steps that we can use for it. But the most important step is using this right here, this example. So for you to be able to connect to this, copying this example, you first of all need to bring up your CMD. So when the CMD loads, so you need this example. So all you have to do before, copy this example, and then come down here and do, because when this example was downloaded, there is a key file that was downloaded earlier in the first time we created this instance. So if I go to my downloads folder, you can see remzi.pem. So for this instance to connect, you need to go to this folder, where the remzi.pem is downloaded. So the first thing you do, cd downloads, and then you press enter. When you are in the cd downloads, you now paste the example that we copied earlier, and then you run it. So it was going to ask you for either yes or no, but we are going with yes, and then bam, you can see we have connected. The same way we connected here is the same thing that was connected here. So if you look at the two, 171, 31, 84, 128. So this is the other way. But the most easiest way to connect is using Mobaxterm. So I don't have that on my computer yet, but I'm going to download it, and we are going to make the connections together. So get Mobaxterm now. Just click on get Mobaxterm now. Don't worry. So we are getting the free version, not the professional version. We are getting the free. So you click on the download. Then you want to be able to get the portable edition, not the installer edition. You are getting this one, the portable edition. So click on that. And then when it's done downloading, we would be able to run our Mobaxterm. So for easy access, it's easier for you to be able to pin all your tools to the tools we'll be using to your taskbar. So you pin this to your taskbar. We can pin when Mobaxterm is ready. Also, we'll pin that to our taskbar as well. So let's wait for the download to be completed. Okay, so the download is completed. We want to extract that and extract all. It doesn't matter where we extract these, so we'll just extract to our download folder. And when that is done, this is your Mobaxterm. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to install anything. All you have to do is click it and it's going to show up. So this is your Mobaxterm. This is how Mobaxterms look like. So for us to be able to connect using Mobaxterm, you have to do, yeah, when it says it wants to access, just click on allow for you to be able to access your. So in this, to connect to this, there are two ways you can do it. You need your public IP and you need the download folder. So we can just stick in here. You can stay here and use your public IPv4. But if you are lazy like me, when you go to your instances, all you need is your public IPv4 address. This right here, your public IPv4 address. So you copy this public IPv4, you go to your Mobaxterm and you click on sessions, SSH, and then remote host. You paste it in there. And the name of this username for easy access, if we go to connect, you'll be able to see it here. The username is Ubuntu. So you click on specify username and you type in Ubuntu. So the password, you don't need any password. You only use your key to enter. So you want to click on advanced SSH settings and then use private key. So you click on the search bar on here and go to your downloads and pick remzy.pem, then click on open and just do OK. These will don't show this message again and click on accept. This will automatically sign you into your EC2 instance. I hope this video is clear and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.